This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. I'm excited for today's video because I get to unbox my first ever Skull Panda. Now, I'll be honest, when I first saw them, I was like, what the f is this? It didn't click. I didn't like them. I was like, not for me. I'm a Labubu bitch. I'm anything else but a Skull Panda bitch. And then it wore me down. Kind of like the Labubus actually, because I remember when I first discovered them, I was like, ew. And then my friend Michael couldn't shut up about them, kept talking about them. And next thing you know, I have so many of them. And I love that for me. But this one wore me down. This wore me down so much that I saw it every day on TikTok live that I was like, I gotta have it. And then they announced this line and I was like, if I don't get Pranky Peanut, which by the way, nobody wants Pranky Peanut because I think she's the ugliest one. I think she's the most adorable one. When I found out the backstory about these little ladies, I was like, oh, Pranky Peanut is a bitch and she just wants to kill you. It makes me want it even more, okay? I know my own kind, what can I say? But anyway, I have 4 of them. So I got 2 from the Mart app and I got 2 from the TikTok live because I don't even know why, honestly. Like I wasn't planning on getting the full set. There's 9 of them. And I think it's like, is it 2 something or 3 something? It's expensive. And I was like, no, I don't want that. And then I somehow ended up with 4. I don't know, man. I don't know. All right. But anyway, I did rescue her. I did open her up because again, Mart really knows how to like staple these bitches in there. And this doesn't disappoint. So this one is the Lazy Panda pendant. So I want to show you because she is precious. She is so precious. And I'm kind of glad that she's like my first Skull Panda, but like she's cute. She's so cute. And look, she is a little panda bear and I can't even. Now, I'll be honest, I thought this was like a little hood and then like you put it in front of her and I was like, oh my God, I want it even more. But no, that is not the case. It's just the back of her head. So I'm like, oh, all right. I still think it's really adorable. And I kind of like that the eyes move. So you could really just, you know, make them kind of wonky. And and I love that. I love little wonky eyes. They're so cute. But this is by far probably one of the cutest plush pendants that I have. And I just think this is just me. I love bears and I love the color green and especially this kind of green, which is like a really kind of grungy olive green. It wore me down, okay? It wore me down and now I understand why people like Skull Panda and I am now a Skull Panda girly and I love it. And I'm sorry it took me so fucking long. I am sorry, okay? I'm sorry. That said, I wanted to show you this because I think she's super sweet and I just think it's really cute. And it also comes with like a little tutu thing. So you could take it off. Actually, I think it's connected in the back. But anyway, if you take it off though, that's what she looks like. But we like her little skirt though. It's super cute, very well made, which makes me very happy for the price point. Because this, my friends, is $54. It's kind of disgusting, but like she's kind of worth every penny too. So I love you. Okay, mommy needs to put you down because we're here to see which one I got. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, all right? This one feels heavy. This one feels heavy. Okay, here are all my little options, all right? The goal is to get Pranky Mother Peanut, all right? We want Pranky Peanut. I will be okay with this one, the special. We love the special. Cerebus. We love a little doggy. We love a doggy from the afterlife. I do like Ratty Bear. Ratty Bear is cute. Darkness is cute. Moldy Muffin. Sandman's cute. Ghosties. Like, they're all pretty cute. The one that I don't love so much is Sneaky Chestnut. I don't know. Like, she's okay, but like, it's nothing like too amazing. I think Ratty Peanut. I think Pranky Peanut is the best one, in my opinion, okay? Oh my God, I am so nervous. I am so nervous. Please no duplicates, Mart gods, please no duplicates. All right, that didn't really work. Ah, Chomp! Chomp, bitch, we got Chomp. Oh, she comes with a tiny little monster. Oh, it looks like a little rat's nest. It kind of reminds me of like when I was younger and I would be like playing with my brother and then my grandmother would be like, I need to brush your hair out, and it would look like that. it would just look like a rat's nest because me and my brother would just beat the shit out of each other, you know? I love this. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, first of all, put your dress down, lady. All right. It's not that kind of channel. Stop it. Stop. Oh God. Wait, what, girl, what are you doing? All right. She is a little kerfuffled. She's a little kerfuffled here. Do we got to put your hand, maybe got to put your hands up. Ah, okay, there you go. All right, we got to put your hands up there. Now you look presentable. Oh my God, I love the little monster detail. That is so cute. Okay, first of all, why are you shedding? Girl, we paid too much money for you to start shedding. No. Okay, also I'm eating your hair a little bit. I don't like that. Well, I mean, it is chomp after all, but I'm chomping you, unlike you chomping me. This is cute though. She's, oh, look at the little chomp ears. It kind of reminds me of Mario. Oh my God, stop it. Shut the fuck up. This is cute. She is a little, yeah, she sheds. So I can't be flailing her around, but okay, I like it. We're starting strong. I was happy with Chomp, but she ain't no Pranky Peanut, okay? She ain't no Pranky Peanut. We need to find Pranky Peanut. This feels like it's gonna be Cerebus. I just feel it. I feel it in my, oh, that's not good. I feel it in my bones. You're home. Oh, I'm gonna return the other 2 boxes. I don't need them. Oh, you are everything. And there's so many people that don't like Pranky Peanut because they think she's ugly, but she is the best one of them all. I tells you, look at it. Oh, you are fucking adorable. Oh my God. So Pranky Peanut, the story about Pranky Peanut is that she is there to basically murder you. And I love that. I love that so much. Oh my God. She's like a Sour Patch Kid. You know what I mean? It's like she's really kind of sweet, but then she like cuts your ponytail off. You know what I mean? That's what Pranky Peanut is. And oh my God, I'm so happy. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay. We still have 2 more boxes. I don't really give a now. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Oh my God. I could care less. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay. There's so many people that hate this one and I love it. I love it. Okay. So we got Pranky Peanut and we got Chomp. All right. We got Lady Chomp and Pranky Peanut. I feel like this is going to be Ratty Bear. I feel like it's going to be Ratty Bear. I think this is going to be this one right here. Let's find out. I can't make this shit up. Okay. Listen, when your girl is on fire. Okay, I'm on fire, all right? I'm getting heated. My house is currently 85 degrees, okay, because my landlord is a hole and will not fix the air conditioning. But it's okay, it's not gonna stop me, okay? It's not gonna stop me because we need to rescue all these babies. And I love that this is Ratty Bear. All right, let me shut up, let me show you. First of all, this is Ratty Bear's card. Oh, cute, right? Actually, there you go. Super cute. By the way, I don't know if I showed you Pranky Peanut. Boop, boop, boop. Pranky Peanut. And then, of course, Chomp, who is shedding everywhere. This is so good. She is so beautiful. She is so pretty. Oh, she is so pretty in person. You know, I gotta say, like these, I think for the longest time, Skull Panda just wasn't a thing for me because they kind of look online. They're so much cuter in person. So if you're like me and you were like, I don't know about this, bitch, do yourself a favor, buy one because they're actually super cute. These are super cute and I need to actually put them in my bag. I am hashtag blessed. Hashtag blessed. Hashtag fucking blessed. Okay, I am hashtag blessed. I am just so happy. I am not drunk, by the way. You're gonna see this video in the future. I don't know, so you might see this later in the week or whatever, but I had like a lot of coffee today and it shows, bro. Okay. And I'm just excited. Okay, so I want Cerebus. I want that one. I want this one. I want this one. Last one. Come on, gods. Are you kidding me? You're kidding me. You're kidding. Oh my God. I swear to God, I did not make this shit up. I am just that powerful. Okay. You know, when life is good. I'm coming apart right now. I have never been so excited for something. Oh my God. And I really hope you see that this is genuine because your bitch, I am so fucking happy. I got all the ones that I wanted. I don't need to get anything else from this series. Consider this retired, case closed, we're done. Look at this super cute bitch. How adorable. I love her, and I love the little doggy heads right there. The little eyes. She is so cute. She is precious. I love her little hair here. She's another one that sheds. Her and Chomp Chomp is like shedding and it's literally all over me. But I'm okay with that, okay? I am okay because they are everything. They are so precious. The best thing obviously would have been if I would have got the secret, but you know what? It wasn't meant to be, and that's okay. Sometimes you just gotta walk away. And that's the thing about gambling, that some people unfortunately just don't have the capability of walking away, but you gotta know when to hold them and when to fold them. And bitch, I'm folding them because I don't need any more of these little guys. Like, they are beautiful, they're wonderful. I got the ones that I want. And I'm never gonna have to get this series again. That is until Pop Mart actually opens up in the Florida Mall and this happens to be there, and then I might just take my chances. But as of right now, I'm considering this one case closed. We're done. I got everything that I wanted. Got Chomp, I got Ratty Bear, I got Cerebus, and I got my motherfucking Pranky Peanut, the bitch who started it all, okay? She is everything. And then of course my little lazy panda. So yeah, we're good. We're good. Today's a good day. I don't even give a that it's boiling right now and that my insides feel like they're about to shoot out of my body. It's fine because I have this thing that will keep me comfort, okay? Anyway, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have Skull Panda. Are you interested in Skull Panda? Are you like, no, I really could care less? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces, and I'll see you garbage pail kids real soon. Bye.